Okay. Okay, all right. You don't have to say anything. I'm saying it to all the participants. If I'm asking you any question, for example, I have asked you here whether I'm visible and audible or not. Then you just have to type in the chat box, yes, sir, it is audible and visible. All right. You don't have to speak. You don't have to turn on your microphone because echo issue is there. And you people are already well versed with how video calling is being done these days and all. This is the new normal, as they say it. And I'm happy to see everyone has turned off their microphone and they are like professionally acting. So it's quite good to see people like this. And so let me tell you a few things about me. As you know, sir has already introduced me in a very beautiful way. I think my web camera has turned off, right? Let me just have a look. Okay, I think I'm visible right now. Type yes in the comment if I am any one of you. I'm visible. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, students. So actually, Professor Bhaktabandhu Das has called up. So that is why this issue has happened. And he was worried about the session also. So we'll start by now. We are 52 participants here. It is a very good audience to start with. Now, let me tell you a few things about me first. We are not going to have any kind of a conventional or traditional kind of a program that you are going through in these many days today. All right, we are going to do something little different because I am one of you. I just passed out from ASBM on in the year 2015, and it is merely 5 odd years. So I understand the mindset you people are. There are a lot of factual things being pounded upon you. A lot of theories is being, taught to you. What is the new normal? What is the economic situation around the world and in the country? Everything you're getting to know. And I don't want to go into a lot of theories today. I hope you people are excited. We are going to do something playful. And we are going to do something from which your lives are going to be transformed. That I can assure you. But we are not going to do it in a very serious way. You don't have to be in the ICU today, all right, for learning something new in life. So how many people are excited? Type excited in the comment box, because I'm a very involvement-loving person. So I'd love this session if you people will participate, and people have written a lot in the chat box. Yes, excited, excited, excited. Everyone is writing. Okay, there is Anshuman also in your batch. Okay, so I have got a mate here, and okay, a lot of people are excited. So let's begin the session. I have prepared a slide for you people, and we'll talk in this session. I'd like your interaction, and I am a person who loves question more than the talk, all right, because I'd love to address your queries. And that is the reason they have asked me to take a session with you, because I know how to solve the issues you are going through right now, because I also have come across these issues in my career, in my, college days and post-college, job career. And then I'm into business now. I have started my own company 2 years back. So I have seen all these phases in my life, and I can guide you because my knowledge, my experience is fresh. People who have gone through this experience 20 years back, they cannot guide you properly because they have forgotten some experiences. But I am here to help you. So keep your questions handy. As the session continues, we'll just have a look. Always, when I'll ask you in the question answer session, we'll divide this session into segments. First will be my talk. I'll show you a PPT. I'll share my screen with you all, and I'll talk in that tenure, in that phase for 30 minutes, around 30 minutes or 20 minutes, as already we are running out of time. So I'll cut it short. But the 15 minutes time slot, we are going to do it question answer. That is, there is no doubt. Sir, if I may ask you, what is the ending time? Like, when can we end this session along with the question answer?
So you can take some as you wish. 4:30, no problem.
4:30. All right. Let's see. I will go for 4:30 as of now. But if students are interested, we may stretch it a little bit. It depends on them. I'm not forcing them for more. But I'm here to answer all of your questions. I'll answer every question you know, one by one. So keep your question handy. I'll not skip any question. Let it be about anything. I'll not skip any question. All right. So let's begin the presentation now. Sir, yeah, thank you. So I'll present you the PPT that I have made for you. So this is the PPT that I have prepared for you. And as you can see, this is a little bit of a graphics kind of a theme that I have chosen, because I don't want you to see that white kind of screen, you know, serious and boring type of presentation today. I want you to do something interesting. And the topic for today is change yourself, change your life. All right. So how you can change yourself to change the consequences that you are getting in your life, because you may have read a lot of quotes about the life. You know, the life is choices. The life is a series of choices that you make. I'm sorry, and the choices that you have made in the past is, you know, that have made you what you are today. So all these kind of things are there. But I'm telling you, the more consciously that you live your life, the better results that you can expect from it. Because many people, you know, maximum people who are living life are living in an accidental way, because they don't know what is happening around them, within them, you know, in their circumstances. So whatever is coming their way, they are kicking it in the way they just know, or they just want to get rid of the problems. They just want to get rid of the, you know, bad relationships, bad study. जो subject हमें पसंद नहीं होता, we just skip it and concentrate in other subjects for, you know, as far as study is concerned. So ऐसे करते हुए we are not going anywhere, right? So we are living life accidentally. So the topic that I have selected today is to change your life the way you want. You have to change yourself first. That is the way it is, you know, and that is my name written there. I hope I am visible to you along with the slides. My photo is this thing is visible to you. Okay, all right. So we are cool this far, right? All right. So let me go to the next slide. How to make the most out of this session, you know. I want you to make the most out of this session just by being present here, because I'm not going to say you anything about rocket science today. I don't want you to have a note, a pen, or anything to take notes or record this session very seriously and to remember word by word. I don't want that. I know you cannot do that, and it is very tough for you to go through all these sessions, you know, in the beginning days of your, you know, higher education. And I don't want you to remember everything, take notes and anything. I just want you to be here, just participate, and let's have fun together. That is the whole intention. And by that way only you can have the maximum learning from today's session, because I have designed this session in that way only. The more involved you are, the more you are going to learn. All right. Now we'll do a little bit of invocation. I know this will feel a little traditional to you people, but I believe in this. And this is a well-known invocation that we do. So I'd like to request everyone, whoever is sitting at a place, to just sit, you know, in a erected spine position. Make your spine erect and just sit, eyes closed. I am, you know, reciting a mantra. Just go after me. You don't have to turn your microphone. I trust you people, you must be doing that after me. Otherwise, just keep your eyes closed and just listen to that. All right. We'll just do this for 1 minute and we'll just go ahead. All right. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityurma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay, now those who have closed their eyes, please open your eyes. So the meaning of this invocation is, we are requesting someone or some power or some energy to take us from ignorance and to lead us to truth. That is asatoma sadgamaya. It means take us from ignorance to the truth. From darkness, lead me towards light. Tamasoma jyotirgamaya. And from death, lead me to immortality. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. This means we are not requesting someone out there, or we are not requesting any god or anything which is up there. We are just requesting certain qualities within us to make us like that, because we believe that everything that is coming around us, everything that has come out of us has come from within. For example, this computer or this internet that we are able, because of which we are able to talk today, is an idea of human mind, right? So that was inside before, now it has manifested as physical reality. So we are requesting that power to manifest what we want in our life, right? So let's move on. बहुत ज़्यादा प्रवचन टाइप का फीलिंग आ जाए तो माफ करना, but let's move on with the slides. And now let me tell you, for those who are uncomfortable with the kind of online learning, let me tell you some facts. And I was just going through what is the online education scenario and how far people are learning, and specifically for higher studies people, because you people are into higher studies, the 6 million people who are taking higher studies are considering online education systems. Okay, and 85% of people think that online education system is either good, either better than the in-class training, or it is as good as that. So there is basically no difference today between a in-class conversation to a webinar kind of a thing that we are having right now. So those who are in a mindset that yaar webinar mein to maza nahi aane wala, wo feel nahi aane wala, I understand your feel. I also would love to come to you people in the classroom. Maybe in future we'll interact that way sometime, but we have to continue this way, and this is the new normal. So all of you with that mindset, kindly eradicate that mindset. Clean up your brains and just be here. We are not doing anything serious. That is why I have told, and 85% people are okay with it. So you people must also be okay with it. All right, let's move on. Okay, this is the main thing that I want you to share. Basically, I want you to share something which can have, which can help you have an insight to lead your life the way you want it. Okay, I want you to empower, because knowledge तो आपको बहुत मिलेंगी. Knowledge आज हर जगह है. आपको college के education में भी you people will get enormous amount of information and knowledge. लेकिन it is invaluable without all these kind of analysis. तो I have put my perspective, my perceptions, जितना भी मैंने सीखा है life से, and I have observed from people around me. I have met big businessmen, big successful people in terms of online businesses, in terms of physical businesses, who have come from zero background to earning crores of rupees in real time. I have seen them come from zero to this kind of an amount, and when I have I had interacted with them, I found very strange things. So I'm going to share those practical knowledge with you so that it will help you gain power to go and rush for success after even passing out from ASBM University. I just don't want you to perform well in the university. That you people will definitely do, and your faculty members will ensure you do that. But I want you all to succeed even after going out of the campus. That is what my main motive is. So this whole slide is based on that. And what success means for me in today's world is, as you can see, there are 4 points. We'll go one by one. We'll take little more to finish this slide up if you people are okay. So the first point is memorizing versus applying. Aaj tak the study that you have done from kind of matriculation to +2, whatever stream you people have taken. Now people who are in graduation may still feel this thing, but in post graduation and higher education, the study that we are having in future is memory oriented. Aapko kuch yaad rakhna hai, and you have to write that in your examination, and then you are judged on the basis of what you have remembered. But that is fine. We are not going to change that education system completely by ourselves, and ye aaj nahi hone wala. But what we can do is we can perform well in the examination by remembering that thing. But apart from that, we are also, we also have to learn to apply those knowledge to create something beautiful in our lives, to contribute something to the world, because the memorizing techniques that you are going to that you were following before is of no value today, because artificial intelligence is here already, and it is going to be big time present in every sector very soon. Within 5-10 years, artificial intelligence will be with every hands in your smartphones. You know, now if you ask Siri or Alexa, they are playing a song for you, they are playing a video for you, they are closing their windows, they're closing your windows, turning off your lights, turning off your ACs, fans, and everything, you know. So if speech recognition artificial intelligence system can do that, now whatever educational information you have in your brain becomes of no value, because tomorrow if you just press few buttons in Google search engine, everything, the PhD thesis and everything comes up in just 5 to 10 seconds. So all that you remember is of no value. पहले क्या होता था, चाय के टपरी में जाके जो सबसे बड़ा बात करा, he is valued because he knows things, you know, he remembers things. He had a trip to Singapore, he saw a few things, and now people behave like he's God in a village, for example, I'm saying. Now, if you can, you know, if you want to go to Singapore or some other country, Switzerland for that matter, you can just, you know, have a YouTube vlogger's diary, you can just have a look, and you can virtually visit Switzerland, and you can have all the information that you have. But here, the thing is to note, the real experience of visiting Switzerland is different from the information of Switzerland. That is what all I'm you know, aiming to say here, because the information is also important. The exams you cannot skip, right? You also have to get good grades to go on in your life. I was a gold medalist in my batch in MBA. I had both the gold medals for becoming the topper in this examinations, also the grades also, and also the director's gold medal, which is my favorite thing. And that maybe you people have already been informed what it is. I'm not going into details about it. So I participated in all the games and everything. I had participated in dramas, dances, and everything apart from studies. I'm not telling you all to go in my path, but what I feel is applying your knowledge somewhere is more important than just getting into studies and just remembering, just mugging things up and writing in your examination. Examination is just a test of how well you remember things. Maybe, you know, in ASBM, this thing happens actually. People are asking application-oriented questions in your examinations, but that does not happen everywhere, right? So mainly it is focused in memory. So kind of you need to ignore memory as of now. You know, you have to keep it aside. You cannot just completely throw it away because it is still there, but you need to focus more on applying. For example, if you study business law, you need to Google it up, you need to see few YouTube videos, you need to have some extra knowledge how things are happening. For example, this Republic TV and Maharashtra government or Mumbai police case is on, right? They are just shouting like anything on TV every you know, evening. So that is a business law kind of a thing. There is a company, Republic Media Network, and this government of Maharashtra has something to do with this company. So this is a legal issue that is being on. So if you take practical examples like this in your current scenario and link it with the bookish information that you have got from college or institution, then it is going to enhance your applicability much more. And later part, kabhi aapko agar ye information use karna hua, then you can use it very well. That is the whole point of you know, applicability and learning to apply the studies or the information that you can get. And the second point is very interesting. I want you all to concentrate. Aap sab sun rahe ho? You all are there in the call. Type yes. And if it is not boring, then type we all are excited or something. Are you all excited? Are you, you know, is it going cool so far? People type cool. Yes, okay. People are, okay, yes sir, excited. Cool, okay, Chandan, cool, all right. Okay, okay. So now let's go ahead. I'm a little bit excited for you people to show you the second point here. Now let's come to the second point here. It is a race versus excelling, all right. Race is not the Salman Khan's Race 3 or anything, okay. It's completely dur tak wo nahi hai. What it is the race of life, है ना. हम बचपन से we are into a system जहाँ पे we have to be better than शर्मा जी का लड़का or someone, right? So हमें किसी ना किसी से बेहतर होना ही होता है हमेशा. Our parents are also tuned in that kind of mindset. लेकिन the time is changing. As the survival is getting organized in our lives, our parents are also giving us little liberties these days. Otherwise, they were too strict to have livelihood, food on our plates. So they were not allowing us to have, explore things and opportunities. So the race that I'm talking about is the race of getting into number one. If you can see here, I have mentioned there is no real place called number one. That is what I believe. Though I stood first in both these things in MBA, I do not believe there is absolute place called number one, because today you are number one, someone else tomorrow can forego you or outperform you and can go beyond you. So that number one thing is not absolute. It is consistently, it is changing. So why to go for that which is not real, instead of going for excellence? Yeah, 3 idiot wala excellence to that is there. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about more practical aspects of that, because a lot of people are not talented as as Amir Khan is being showed in that movie. If you take example of that movie, excelling does not mean talent. People understand, if I have a talent, if I excel in that talent, I'll become something very superior and people will give me fame and I'll have money and everything. That is fine. But to my mind, lot of people are not talented. You don't have to be talented to be excellent. All you need is consistent change of habit which is taking you there. We'll come to that. I have a very beautiful phrase in Sanskrit for that. So for excelling in anything in life, you just need to focus in that one thing and change your behaviors, your habits towards that, so that you keep on excelling. And this race versus excelling thing completely takes your eyes from others. इसके साथ क्या हो रहा है, उसके साथ क्या हो रहा है, वो कौन सा बाइक चला रहा है, उसके घर में कौन सा कार है, वो कौन से एरिया में रह रहा है, हाउ फार ही हैज गॉन विथ हर रिलेशनशिप, उसके तो 4 गर्लफ्रेंड्स हैं, मेरी तो एक भी नहीं है. एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर आउटवर्ड बाउंड, इफ यू सी दैट इज काइंड ऑफ अ रेस. बट व्हाट आई वांट यू टू सी इज, आई वांट यू टू सी इनसाइड. आई वांट यू टू सी मेरे पास, सपोज यू आर ओनली अ सिंगल पर्सन इन एन आइलैंड, आप कैसे जीते, आप कौन से क्वालिटी को आपके होन करते, आप एक्सरसाइज जरूर करते बिकॉज यू वांट योर हेल्थ टू बी गुड, बिकॉज आप चारों तरफ ऐसे ही लोगों को देख रहे हैं जो कि हेल्थ के लिए कॉन्शियस नहीं है, तो आप भी कॉन्शियस नहीं होते because you don't want to, because people are not ahead of you. जब हम देखते हैं फोटो इंस्टाग्राम में या फेसबुक में किसी बॉडी बिल्डर का, तब ख्याल आ जाता है कि भैया हमें तो एक्सरसाइज करना ही करना है, लेकिन 5 दिन करते हैं उसके बाद इट इज अगेन गॉन, बिकॉज द सर्कमस्टेंसेस दैट वी हैव चोजन इज लेटिंग अस डाउन, बिकॉज वी आर आउटवर्ड बाउंड, क्योंकि हमें इन लोगों से आगे जाना है. अगर हमें इन लोगों से आगे जाना ही नहीं है तो देयर इज नो सच कॉम्पिटिशन इन लाइफ. In life, we are only having an adventurous trip till death. From the day we are born till the day we die, we just have a time to spend. How we spend our time is the most important question. So if we keep on excelling in every field, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, कभी meditate कर लिया, लेकिन meditate करने के लिए पूरा पार्क में जाना होता है लोगों को. I cannot believe during the lockdown also, I'm ashamed to say share with you people comes to park to walk and jog and meditate. Can't they meditate inside their homes? Is our homes become it is has it become such a bitter place to stay? People just cannot stay inside homes these days. Even during the lockdown period, people were violating their norms. So you people must be seeing the psychology, what kind of a mind people have these days. So I don't want you to follow that trend of getting into that race and being number one from someone else. I just want you to progress day by day with yourself and take it very carefully as an actor takes his craft. It is a craft to make life, because if you want instant result, life तो मैगी नहीं है, 2 मिनट में तो बनने नहीं वाला है. It will take some time, it will take some time, and you need to put a lot of efforts, because आप किसी और से इसमें रेस में नहीं है. You will, आपको इसको करने के लिए शक्ति अंदर से ही आएगी, because you are not willing to sacrifice anything to go ahead of anything. You're just competing with yourself. अब आप अकेले ही हैं रेस में, कैसे भी करके हमें ही जीतना है इसमें, तो कोई और फिक्र तो है नहीं, बस we need to take steps one by one every day. That is what I want you to focus. And mark my words, अगर आपने फोकस किया excelling जो वर्ड है उसमें रियली एंड कोई चीट नहीं किया, तो मार्क माय वर्ड्स, यू विल बी नंबर 1 ऑल्सो. लाइफ वर्क्स दैट वे. बिकॉज आप अगर नंबर 1 के रेस में भागोगे तो शायद नंबर 1 नहीं बन पाओगे, लेकिन इफ यू विल रन इन द रेस ऑफ एक्सेलिंग योरसेल्फ, गेटिंग बेटर ईच डे, देन एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा यू विल बी नंबर 1 एंड यू विल एंजॉय दैट जर्नी ऑल्सो. लेकिन अदरवाइज अगर आप सिर्फ रेस में दौड़ोगे, शायद अगर आप नंबर 1 आ भी जाएं तो भी आप उसे एंजॉय नहीं कर सकते. उसमें हम आने वाले हैं अगले स्लाइड्स में क्यों. अब चलते हैं सेकंड पॉइंट में, सॉरी द थर्ड पॉइंट में, जो कि है अर्निंग एंड लिविंग वर्सेस मेकिंग अ लाइफ. दोस्तों आपका एड्रेसिंग यू पीपल एज फ्रेंड्स, आपका जो लाइफ है, इट इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट अर्निंग अ लिविंग. आपको ये जो एजुकेशन माँ बाप ने अभी बहुत सारे लोन्स लेके आपको एडमिशन दिया है, एंड यू पीपल आर गोइंग टू गो थ्रू अ काइंड ऑफ अ शेड्यूल्ड वेरी गुड काइंड ऑफ एजुकेशन सिस्टम, which is people are even not very fortunate to have this much education in their lives. You people are very fortunate. So firstly, be grateful for that. That is a different kind of a matter. I'm not going into that. What I'm saying is, it is not just for earning you some money to have food. I hope you are clear. I'm saying this can make you able to make a life of your dreams. नीचे मैंने लिखा है craft your life with utmost care. आपका जो लाइफ है, it should happen the way you want. It should not happen the way the world kicks you. Not just a football. आज relationship में breakup हो गया, you just sit and cry instead of moving on, because you have not thought of that, but that has happened because you are not conscious with your decisions. Maybe अगर वो हो भी गया, for example business failures होते ही रहते हैं लाइफ में, but a person who bounces back survives and becomes the strongest among them later. लेकिन उसे survive करने के लिए you must have a life of your own. सिर्फ अगर if you will run in that living, बस एक जॉब के लिए आपको अगर पढ़ाई करना है, तो हाँ, ये आपको उतना कैपेबिलिटी तो दे ही देगा, प्लेसमेंट तो आपका हो ही जाएगा, बट व्हाट नेक्स्ट? यू वोंट बी हैप्पी बिकॉज आपके देखते ही peers हैं and colleagues हैं, they will be prospering, and it differs from persons to person. कौन किसके कौन से एरिया में स्किल्ड है, so they'll be growing in different areas. Now you are clueless because you just got into the studies to get a job, and now you don't have any idea what to do with life. And आप शायद बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, मेरे साथ ये एक्सपीरियंस हुआ था. दिस इज माई ओन एक्सपीरियंस, नॉट एग्जैक्टली दिस बट समथिंग एल्स. एंड आई वाज काइंड ऑफ अ नंबर 1 kind of a student inside the campus as far as academics was going on, and people loved me inside the campus, starting from the security person to the the housekeeping staff, to all the faculty members. Everyone knew me by my name, and they used to love me so much. So I was thinking life is going to be so easy even after even after the campus life is over. So I was placed in Berger Paints in 2015. And I went for a training in Kolkata for 15 days. They have their head office there. And when I went there, they kept us in a 5-star hotel, and everything was so well. I thought that life is going to be like this only. I am well settled. Now I started, going into social media big time, just uploading photos of the dishes I'm having in the restaurant, my hotel room, my new MacBook Air and everything. I'm just flaunting around my iPhone and all. So these things started happening. And when the training was over, what I felt is they dumped me in a place, in an interior place, and then they later dumped me in Berhampur. Okay, many of you must be from that place, Ganjam district mainly. So I was looking after core sales of paints in Ganjam and Gajapati district for 3 years. Now, when I was placed in that territory, trust me, the area was good. The food though was lovely. I can never forget that experience of you can just eat anywhere in Berhampur, and people from Odisha will know, and it will not disappoint you. Apart from that thing, I was kind of totally taken aback because I have never thought in my mind I myself have to go to a hardware dealer and in that धूल मिट्टी सीमेंट वगैरह सब वहां पे रखा हुआ है and you just have to go there and talk to a person who is not even educated to your level. क्या वो 10th भी पास नहीं हुआ होगा. That was there in my mind. Can you see how far I have come? I was in that kind of a mindset जहाँ पे मेरा ego इतना हो गया था. I was not able to connect with that person. और मुझे खाली क्या करना था, जो कंपनी से स्कीम जितना आता था, I just had to communicate. उतना भी मैं ठीक से नहीं कर पाता था. But I was, academically I was very sound. मेरे दिमाग में इंफॉर्मेशन भरे पड़े थे. बिजनेस का प्लान मतलब I'll just give you 10 plans just like that. लेकिन जो काम मुझे दिया गया था, I was not able to perform that. And I was completely, I took a gap of, I think 7 days. I took a leave. I went to a place. I, just spent alone time, just, with nature and all. I evaluated myself. कि गलत क्या हो रहा है मेरे लाइफ में, है ना? And I found the problem with me is me. It is my mindset that is not letting me grow. And I have a platform to excel in sales right now. God has given me this opportunity. Life has given me this opportunity. And that was the highest package placement of our time, And so there was nothing to complain, but I was not just happy in my life. So then I thought I have to do something about fixing my own self. Then I started, let me experiment, let me just go in and get my targets done for 6 months. If I am not doing it, if I'm not able to do this for 6 months, I'll think I am not made for sales. Then I may, switch the company. I'll leave the company and join somewhere else in Bangalore or Hyderabad. I'll search jobs or anything. That was in my mind. And when I started doing activity in that kind of mindset, I became consistent performer, top performer of Eastern Zone entirely, not even Odisha, not even Berhampur. I became, the best performer of entire East Zone. And East Zone is West Bengal, Odisha, Jharkhand and Bihar. इन चारों स्टेट्स में मेरा परफॉर्मेंस नंबर 1 पे आ गया. एंड देन आई स्टेड बिकॉज इंसेंटिव्स मिलने लगे, पैसे आने लगे, एप्रिशिएशंस मिलने लगे. तो आई वाज काइंड ऑफ स्टेइंग देयर. एंड फ्रॉम देयर I did not quit the company. I stayed there for 3 years. And by that time I was polished in a lot of way. लोगों से कैसे बात करना है and how to negotiate prices. All these experiences, how to transport to rural areas, all these experiences came to me. And then later I decided to do something of my own. That was completely a conscious choice. That was not because of life pushed me into that direction. I got out of the company by my own choice and I get into that. And within that 3 years, I had 2 promotions. जो कि बहुत रेयर होता है. नॉर्मली कॉर्पोरेट्स में इतने जल्दी प्रमोशन आपको नहीं मिलते. बट आई हैड द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू हैव इट जस्ट बिकॉज आई शिफ्टेड माई मेंटालिटी फ्रॉम यार ये क्या हो रहा है, यार ये लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, टू लेट्स एक्सेल इन व्हाटएवर वी हैव, डिजाइनिंग द लाइफ अराउंड मी एज आई वांट. Okay, so that was all about the third point. I hope you enjoyed my story. And now let's go to the fourth point, that is using technology versus being used. ये सबसे ज्यादा important है आप लोगों के लिए, because आप लोग अगर बताया जाए ना, तो you people are the most fortunate generation, because 5G टेक्नोलॉजी आने वाला है, 4G आप लोगों के होते हुए आया, ऑल द फोन्स हैव 4, 5, 6 पता नहीं कितने कैमरे हैं फोन के पीछे, एंड यू पीपल हैव ऑल दिस एक्सेस टू इंटरनेट एवरीवेयर, इवन इन रूरल एरियाज. सो टेक्नोलॉजी तो है, दैट इज देयर. सो यू पीपल आर फॉर्चुनेट, जो कि पहले नहीं था. बट टेक्नोलॉजी ही सबसे बिगेस्ट इशू है आज के जमाने में फॉर यू पीपल. वो बहुत ज्यादा अनफॉर्चुनेट है. दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव मेंशन्ड दिस कैप्शन, यूजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी वर्सेस बीइंग यूज्ड. मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. आई थिंक आई विल शेयर अ लिंक विथ यू आफ्टर दिस वेबिनार इज ओवर, सो यू पीपल हैव टू चेक दिस लिंक आउट. मैंने देखा है एक वीडियो में या कहीं एक आर्टिकल में मैंने पढ़ा था, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था. मैं पूरा नहीं बताऊंगा आपको, बस एक चीज बता रहा हूँ कि ये जो सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, फेसबुक हो, इंस्टाग्राम हो, यूट्यूब हो, टिकटॉक, जो कि मतलब हाँ सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म कह सकते हैं. लॉट ऑफ पीपल लव्ड इट एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल डिड नॉट. दैट्स नॉट द मैटर, बट इट वाज अ सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म. एंड जितने भी सारे इस टाइप के सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, वो सारे जो है आपके ब्रेन्स को, हम ये नहीं सोच सकते हम एडल्ट्स हैं तो हमें ये इम्पैक्ट नहीं करेगा, सिर्फ बच्चों को ही ये इम्पैक्ट करता है. दैट इज कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग. कितने सारे बिहेवियरल साइंटिस्ट्स बैठ के ये क्लिक बाय क्लिक डिजाइन करते हैं फेसबुक का लेआउट, इंस्टाग्राम का लेआउट, ताकि ये आपके लिए एडिक्टिव बन जाए। क्यों एडिक्टिव बन जाए? आपने कभी नोटिस किया होगा, मैं एक प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं। फॉर एग्जांपल, आपने फेसबुक में कोई फोटो अपलोड किया, आपने कितनी बार देखा आप वहां पे जाके कि हाउ मेनी लाइक्स आई हैव गॉट? अगर 100 लाइक्स नहीं आए होंगे, आपने 1000 बार चेक कर लिया होगा कि किस किस ने मेरे फोटोज को लाइक किया। फोटो तो आपने अपलोड किया, अभी भूल जाओ ना, दैट इज द नॉर्मल थिंग। लेकिन वो हम नहीं करते, बिकॉज फेसबुक हैज ट्रेन्ड अस टू डू दैट, एंड दैट हैज हैपेंड ग्रेजुअली। इसीलिए हमें पता नहीं चला। अगर एक बार में बिहेवियरल चेंज कुछ होता है तो हमें पता चल जाता है। लेकिन फेसबुक में ये है कि वो स्लो डोज ऑफ ड्रग्स आपको दे रहा है। ये एक टाइप ऑफ ड्रग्स ही है। आजकल अगर आप देखोगे टीनेजर्स में, आपसे थोड़े कम उम्र के बच्चों में, जो इरिटेशन, जो काइंड ऑफ टेम्पर है, वो बहुत ही खराब हो गया बच्चों में। इफ यू आस्क देम टू नॉट डू एनीथिंग, दे सडनली गेट एंग्री, which was not there before। बच्चे मतलब दे वर हंसते खेलते हमेशा रहते थे, एंड कुछ भी कर दो, हाँ थोड़ा बहुत रोते थे, दैट इज डिफरेंट। बट जो काइंड ऑफ माइंडसेट दे वर इनटू, इट इज कंप्लीटली चेंज्ड, एंड इट हैज चेंज्ड बिकॉज ऑफ दीज थिंग्स। बिकॉज अभी मुझे इस फोटो को अपलोड करना है एंड आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग सम लाइक्स। It is like drinking a peg of alcohol or taking a drink and expecting that dopamine to secret। ये वही केमिकल है जो आपको स्मोकिंग करते हुए मिलता है, ब्रेन से सीक्रेट होता है। ये यही केमिकल है जो आपको ड्रिंक करते हुए या कोई और ड्रग्स करते हुए आपके ब्रेन में सीक्रेट होता है। ये सेम केमिकल है जो आपको सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म से मिल रहा है। आपके जाने अनजाने में यू पीपल आर गेटिंग इनटू अ बिग ट्रैप। इट इज गोइंग टू कंप्लीटली मेस योर लाइफ। तो इसका सोल्यूशन क्या है? इसका सोल्यूशन, आई होप आई एम क्लियर अबाउट इट। मैंने कुछ वेरी एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी थिंग तो नहीं कहा। आप सबने इसके ऊपर ऑलरेडी कुछ ना कुछ एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा, कुछ पढ़ा होगा, कुछ जाना होगा। तो इसमें मेनली हमें करना यह है, वी हैव टू डिफाइन अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम। हमें वीकली कितना टाइम सोशल मीडिया करना है और कितना टाइम हमें खुद सोशल होना है ना। हालांकि अभी के टाइम में सोशल होना ज्यादा फिजिकली ठीक नहीं है। जितने रेस्ट्रिक्शंस हैं उसको फॉलो करके अगर हम सोशली कहीं जाते हैं, करते हैं, दैट इज वेल एंड गुड। लेकिन हमें जो रियल सोशल इंटरेक्शंस हैं वो कभी हम रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकते विद सोशल मीडिया। The kind of feel that I'm having, talking to my web camera right now, it is 1000 times better to talk to you people sitting in front of me, right? वो जो physical एक touch होता है ना, एक physical connection होता है, that is very different from the social media thing। तो इसमें हमें ये तय करना है how much time we are opting the social media and how much time we are opting real life। क्योंकि बच्चे जो PUBG के बंद करने से सुइसाइड कर देते हैं, they are not living in reality, they are living in some other terrain। ये गेम्स, ये जो सोशल मीडिया, ये सब ऐसे बच्चों को बना रहा है कि दे आर लिविंग इन हेलुसिनेटरी वर्ल्ड। उन्होंने अपना एक वर्ल्ड बना रखा है जहां पे वो किसी को भी देख रहे हैं तो गोली मार रहे हैं। That kind of dreams are coming to people, that kind of life they are living, and जब वो बंद हो जाता है, it was so addictive, it is so hard to stop कि वो सुइसाइड कर देते हैं। माँ बाप के 12-15 लाख रुपए वो PUBG गेम में एट वंस वो हरा देते हैं, खो देते हैं। So can you imagine what kind of damage it is doing to our brains? सारे न्यूरोलॉजिकल कनेक्शंस बर्बाद कर देता है। इट इज गेटिंग यू सो एडिक्टेड दैट यू कैन नॉट हैंडल लेटर। इसलिए मैं आपको वार्न कर रहा हूँ, ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, ये इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑनलाइन भी है, लेकिन मैं आपको अभी क्यों बता रहा हूँ, बिकॉज यू पीपल आर एट अ फेज जहां पे ये सबसे ज्यादा मैटर करता है। अभी के टाइम में ये जो सोशल मीडिया में थोड़ा एग्रेसिव होना, फ्लॉन्टिंग वगैरह शुरू होता है, एंड जब रियलाइजेशन होता है इन 28 और 27 और 30 इयर्स, तब तक बहुत लेट हो चुका होता है कि भैया इतना टाइम मैंने वेस्ट कर दिया इसमें कि खाली मेरा हेयर स्टाइल एंड बियर्ड्स एंड ये वाला लुक दिखाने के लिए, एंड इतना पैसा मैंने वेस्ट कर दिया एक आईफोन लेने के लिए और उसको मिरर में सेल्फी क्लिक करने के लिए, एंड दैट वाज नॉट वर्थ इट। ये जब आपको रियलाइज होगा, इट विल बी टू लेट। So I want you people to understand that any technology, not only social media, not only any media or anything, any technology, as long as you are using it, is good, because as long as you are using it, you will use it to your benefit। लेकिन आज के टाइम में सोशल मीडिया का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि you are the product। जी हाँ, आप जो है उसके प्रोडक्ट है। वो आपके पास आएंगे अप्रोच करके कि भैया हमें हमारा प्रोडक्ट आपको सेल करना है, लेकिन at the end of the day, the more you click on their platform, they are earning. So who is the product? Your time is getting wasted, your time is getting burned for earning them revenue. So you are the product, you are being consumed. Mark my words, you are being consumed and you are the product. Don't be the product. That is all I have to say here. And now let's move on to the next slide. I hope you people are enjoying this. How many people are enjoying it? Say cool. Okay, few people have asked questions. I'll ask you to write the questions in later part, and that will be in the Q&A session. Don't write the question now because it will go up and I may not scroll this much because बहुत सारे already chats हो चुके हैं. So we'll go little fast now. Okay. Now the next slide is all about, okay, take charge of your life and get what you want. So this is my moral of this kind of, telling you all this information and all. I want you all to have control of your life so that what you get is determined by you. Because the karma philosophy, you people know, karma is not some kind of a, some kind of philosophy that Western people believe. Karma means your action is in your hands and every action has an equal consequence. Not reaction, but consequence in the real life. So the consequence that you want, you have to design your actions accordingly. That is all I want to say, and take control of your life to do that. Now let's move on. Here I have something to say from my heart. If you people get it, it will be wonderful. If you will not, then forgive me. I just beg you to be real in this world of artificiality. Because लोग घर पे बैठ के ग्रीन स्क्रीन लगा के इमेज खींच के दे आर एडिटिंग इट एंड स्विट्जरलैंड का कोई कोई बर्फीले जगह का फोटो उसमें एडिट करके दे आर पोस्टिंग इन इंस्टाग्राम. आई हैव लिटरली सीन पीपल डूइंग दैट जस्ट टू बी फेक, जस्ट टू अर्न सम लाइक्स. आई डोंट वांट यू टू बी दैट. एंड ये जो चीज है बी रियल, यानी इंटीग्रिटी जो है आज के डेट में सबसे रेयर कमोडिटी बन चुका है. वो किसी में देखने नहीं मिल रहा है एंड दैट इज वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट फॉर मी टू सी. बिकॉज जो आप बोलते हैं उसका कोई वैल्यू होना चाहिए, जो आप करते हैं उसका कोई लक्ष्य होना चाहिए, कोई वैल्यू होना चाहिए. तो आप जितना रियल रहेंगे, आप लाइफ आपके साथ उतना रियल रहेगा. अगर आप स्माइल करते हैं तो रियली स्माइल करिए, ऐसा फेक स्माइल मत करिए. अगर आप किसी को हग करते हैं तो रियली हग करिए, ऐसे जो फॉर्मेलिटी के लिए हग मत करिए. अगर आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं तो रियली पढ़ाई करिए, ऐसे कोई देख रहा है या कुछ कर रहा है करके पढ़ाई मत करिए. हाँ, जो मन करे वो करिए, लेकिन बी रियल. अपने आप को तो झूठ मत बोलिए सोसाइटी के लिए, क्योंकि एवरीवन इज गोइंग टू बी वैनिश्ड फ्रॉम योर लाइफ एट वन और द अदर पॉइंट. हमारे पेरेंट्स तक हमारे साथ हमेशा नहीं रह पाते, कभी ना कभी वो हमें छोड़ के चले जाते हैं. तो ये जो दोस्त हैं, जो पीयर प्रेशर आपका रहता है कि ये करो नहीं तो यू विल बी आउट ऑफ द लीग एंड ऑल, ये सब नकली दिखावा है. ये कभी आपके साथ रहने नहीं वाला है. तो जो रियल है वो सिर्फ आप हो. आप अपने आप को जितना रियल बनाओगे, लाइफ आपके लिए उतना रियल बनेगा. दैट इज ऑल आई हैव टू से इन दिस स्लाइड. आई होप यू लाइक्ड इट. नाउ विल गो टू नेक्स्ट थिंग. व्हाई आरंट सक्सेसफुल पीपल हैप्पियर? दैट इज माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अगर सक्सेस हैप्पीनेस देता तो सक्सेसफुल पीपल हैप्पी नहीं होते. इसको मैं पूरा डिस्क्राइब नहीं करूंगा बिकॉज वी आर रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम नाउ. एंड मैं बस इतना बताना चाहता हूँ कि जो लोग सिर्फ सक्सेसफुल हैं and they are not doing it for others, they are not doing anything for others, they are not happy. एक रिसर्च हुआ था जिसमें ये बताया गया कि lot of rich people are doing charity because it is giving them a feel good factor. क्योंकि मेरे पास ऑलरेडी वेल्थ आ चुका है, तो मैं जो है अभी जो एक्टिविटी करूंगा that will make me feel good. That is the whole purpose of doing all this charity. And खाली सक्सेसफुल होके अगर आपको खुश रहना है तो आपको वो करना है जो आप करना चाहते हो. और अगर आप जो करना चाहते हो अगर आप वो कर रहे हो ऑलरेडी, then you will by default live for others. Because we human beings are made like that, because we feel good when we do when we do something for others. अभी मुझे इतना अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस हो रहा है, I cannot explain to you. Because I'm just sharing my knowledge, my research and everything with you people, and I'm not expecting anything in return. तो इसमें हुआ ये कि I have a feel good factor apart from you learning something, and that is why I do these things, because I like doing it. And that is why only success will not make you happier. For happiness you need to do charity, and all these things. So start doing something selfless, and very soon I am going to, as soon as this scenario, this situation is over, we are going to organize a big time tree plantation and other activities which in which you can contribute completely selflessly. For that you need to join my profile, so I'll tell you how to do that later. Now let's move on. Okay, this is what I have to share with you. And there is a Sanskrit slok that is recited by Krishna. He has said it, Nischala Tattvam Jivan Mukti. And this is the mantra for me in my life. You know, whatever in your life, if you are committed in it, and if you are focused in it, and if you're devoted to that particular thing, it will yield you. For example, if you are looking to get a very good grade in MBA and placed in a company which is your dream company, then you must start your preparation from the first day itself without any stress, but as a playfulness. You have to start, you know, just like an adventure, and you have to. And hello, I think I have to plug this earphone in. I hope I'm audible to you people. Hello. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me do this one thing. Okay. Okay, now let's go back to the slides. So what I want you to do is determine a goal. A person who does not have any goal or any direction in life, I won't say a particular goal कि वहीं जाना है, because उससे भी आगे आप कभी निकल सकते हो. मैं ये नहीं चाहता कि आप अपना गोल डिसाइड करें, मैं ये चाहता हूं कि आप अपना डायरेक्शन डिसाइड करें, आपको जाना कहाँ पे है. आपको अगर किस डायरेक्शन में जाना है आप जानते हैं. एक्सक्यूज मी, हाँ, इट इज प्लेस. ओके, तो अगर आपको जाना कहाँ है, इफ यू हैव डिसाइडेड, तो आप उस डायरेक्शन में बिल्कुल भी फोकस्ड करके कमिटेड होके यू जस्ट स्टार्ट योर जर्नी, एंड इट विल यील्ड टू यू. अ डे विल कम वेयर when you have all that you have dreamt of. That is all I have to say in this slide. And this word is from that ASBM logo. I hope you like this concept. And now we'll go. I'll share a small story of Nelson Mandela. I hope all of you know who he was. I won't say.
Hello, sir. Last 5 minutes you can take, or you want to take more?
Okay, then we'll skip this and we'll take some questions, if that is fine.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm skipping this question. I'm skipping this story, and we'll just do Q&A.
So students, you can post your queries.
Yes, you people can now post your questions. Okay, so the first question is how to master self-control in the most intense and extreme situations. That is asked by Utsav. It's a very good question, because extreme situations में होता ये है, we are tested till our limits. इसमें we have some unexpected problems in our life. Now we don't know what to do. उसमें होता ये है कि we need to fix our attention. You know, हमें चाहिए क्या लाइफ से, हमें चाहिए क्या उस सिचुएशन से. That is what निश्चल तत्वम जीवन मुक्ति means. It means if you are unwavered in your life like a mountain, then you are liberated. You don't have anything to worry about. Because अगर आपको एक चीज चाहिए and आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं उसको पाने के लिए, you will be there unless कितना भी प्रॉब्लम आपके लाइफ में आ जाए, you will be there. तो सेल्फ कंट्रोल जो है, it will be ultimately imposed on you by self understanding या self realization. realization मतलब पूरा एकदम साधु वाला नहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ, जो enlightenment उसके बारे में नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. What I'm saying is try to understand yourself. आप कहाँ पे weak हो, क्या आप किसी को hi करके text करके you wait for the reply, or you can manage. You know, I'm saying practical examples for your generation to understand. And if you are concerned about your image or anything that is putting pressure on you because of your actions, so understand, and the control will be imposed automatically. But if you try to force your mind will play 1,000 other games, and it will again, take you in that loop. You know why this world is called samsara? Have you understood that logic? Samsara means a circle. A lot of spiritual gurus say about that. I am sharing here, because what we do is we just go in round and round, we don't reach anywhere. So that is why we have named it samsara in Sanskrit. So unless and until you have understood something about you, you cannot control that aspect. So I'd request you to understand. And for details in this, you can have me, my email and phone number later to contact me. I'll guide you. We don't have proper time for a detailed discussion on that. I will take the second question. Pritesh is asking how to stop being self-obsessed about being judged by others. Yes, it's a very good question and question of this time. Okay, so self-obsession and being judged by others is a phenomena that has developed in this rat race mentality, जिसके बारे में हमने बात किया कि हमें नंबर 1 आना है and वो क्या सोचेगा and what others will think about you. So all these things are there. It is there. You cannot avoid it. How you can do it is you just keep your things as far as they are okay with you. Because, for example, some things come with some liabilities. अभी family का जो relation है, that is the most nearest to you. But to your friend, to someone else, to a friend's friend, you know, you keep them where they belong. You do not take them so close that what they feel or think about you will hurt you. Because what you think or feel about you will ultimately be with you, and the consequences of that will be borne by you, not by them. So what they feel and think is to be completely ignored. और आप ये कैसे कर सकते हैं? By maintaining distance. सबके साथ हमें सबको प्लीज करके हमें सोसाइटी में नहीं रहना. You cannot please everyone in the society, but you can be pleasant for everyone. Understood? Okay. Now the third question we'll take is by Suman. It may be easier to get the first position, but how to maintain that position? Okay, this is a deep question. Okay, Suman. So the first position, that is what I have said. There is no position called as first position, or there is nothing called as number 1. It may go up and down in the game of life, but as long as you are excelling, you know, you are beating your own self, you are breaking your own records, it is fine. Don't be number 1. Don't go for first position. Don't maintain it. Just try on beating your own records. You will be number 1 all the time for yourself. Okay, not with anyone else. Not in any meter or any kind of, you know, measurement thing. That's my suggestion for you. Now Sahil is asking, sir, how to survive in education race as long as time? Okay. Education is not a race, if you ask me, but the system sometimes make you feel that. So you can do something to get out of that race by learning something really which matters to you and applying for making the world better. अभी आपको समझ आ रहा है कि प्रॉब्लम कितने हैं, आप क्या कर रहे हो उसे सॉल्व करने के लिए. That is all that matters. You know, as Mahatma Gandhi says, be the change you want to see in the world. जो चेंजेस आपको वर्ल्ड में देखने हैं, आप उसे करने के लिए क्या कर रहे हो? Are you becoming the change or not? आप कुछ करो एजुकेशन सिस्टम को चेंज करने के लिए. दैट इज बीइंग चेंज धीरे धीरे, बट लेकिन आप रेस में कैसे नहीं हो सकते. रेस में बस एक रियलाइजेशन हमें करना है कि हमें रेस में नहीं होना है, हमें सीखने के लिए पढ़ना है एंड उसे हमें अप्लाई करके दुनिया को बेहतर बनाना है. ये सोच के साथ अगर आप पढ़ेंगे, कोई भी एजुकेशन विल एम्पावर यू. अगर आप ये सोच के बिना सिर्फ रेस के लिए आप पढ़ेंगे तो इट विल बी कंप्लीटली इनटू वेन. ये कहीं आपको काम नहीं आने वाला. I hope, Sahil, I have answered your question. Now, Gupta, okay, Sisa is asking some question. Sir, how can we overcome from the social media addiction? Actually, you need to get in touch with me for this. It is kind of a detailed discussion that will take 30-40 minutes of my time and your time. So I'll not discuss, but there are methods of that. There is something called as dopamine detox. There is a method called as dopamine detox. You can Google or YouTube about it, or you can follow my YouTube channel also. I also, you know, upload videos regarding development, so you can be helped by that. Now the next question is about Chandan. Okay, it's a funny question, but I just want you to ask because I have doubts about it, sir. And my question is, everyone told us try to be an entrepreneur, but sir, how to start up a company with a low amount of capital rather than the required amount? Okay, it's a great question, Chandan. I'm glad that you are asking to become an entrepreneur on the very first, you know, period of your education. So actually, to guide entrepreneurs and to guide people who want to start their business, I have a completely dedicated YouTube channel. So I'd like you to come to the channel, to subscribe to my channel and see all the videos that I have uploaded so far. And I will upload all the videos that is related to your question, that how to start a business with zero amount of investment, or you know, have a minimum investment for the business you want to do. तो ये हम कर सकते हैं वहाँ पे. This is not the platform to discuss it, but great question. I like the spirit. Okay. Now Amlan is asking, how do we identify or differentiate our ambitions and goals from materialistic and objective wants and desires, are these forms of demand are a boon or a hidden curse? Okay. The desire is not boon or curse. Desire is there in every human being, Amlan. Okay. So if we do not desire, if I do not desire to teach you people something, this session would be completely boring. Because I have this desire to teach you people, I'm making it literally involving, because I'm taking questions and everything. Somewhere I feel good. That is the desire is there in me, all right? And the desire is there in you to ask questions and to get clarified. It is the same desire. But where it happens is in entanglements. If you see, we get stuck in various situations of life, in relationships, in materialistic world, in jobs, in money, in car, in home, in fake reputation, in fake pride and everything. So उसमें हम बंध जाते हैं. बंधन जो create हो जाता है ना, that is the main issue, and that is acting as if we are doing something wrong. लेकिन हम अगर उसे untie कर देंगे, if we उसे अगर हम सुलझा देंगे, then life becomes very easy. It is only about us and our life. It is not about anyone else in this world. So जो भी desire हमारे अंदर है, that will act as a boon only. It will not be a curse then. अगर आप इस circle से अगर आप निकल गए. I hope, Amlan, I have answered your question. Now Laboni is asking, sir, how to stop overthinking? Okay. First, the best advice will be, what are you overthinking about? Why are you overthinking? Because you have so many information about everything that you are identified with. Abhi agar आपके कोई friend is visiting Sikkim or Arunachal or Kedarnath or some other places and uploading a photo, you suddenly think, yaar main kab jaungi? And then you start thinking about Barfile Pahadi, Wadiyan and Kedarnath movie, and then the YouTube में सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का song play हो जाता है, and then कहाँ से कहाँ mind takes us, and it happens like that. So you need to identify the link. कहाँ से कहाँ आप जा रहे हैं, ये कैसे होगा? You have to practice mindfulness. आपके लिए एक सिंपल सजेशन, सिंपल सोल्यूशन मैं दूंगा, एंड इफ यू प्रैक्टिस इट रिलीजियसली, ये कंप्लीटली आपका प्रॉब्लम इरेडिकेट कर देगा सक्सेसफुली. ये आपको करना है एवरी डे, एवरी सिंगल मोमेंट. हाउ यू कैन डू इट? यू हैव टू बी ऑन द मोमेंट, एंड see and feel and think of whatever you are doing. For example, if you're taking a bath, think about shower, think about soap, think about shampoo and everything right there. Okay. For example, if you're using a computer, think about that computer. Don't think about anything else. Focus in the very present and be in that moment. Practice mindfulness. For example, you're taking a walk with your father. Hold the hand of your father and just be with him for that moment. ये आपको इतना अच्छा feel देगा that you will be on the moment and you will never think of overthinking. That will be completely gone because you are present. There is nothing to think about in life. Thinking is a faculty. उसे जब हम यूज करना चाहेंगे, हम थिंकिंग को लाके हम थिंक करके we can take it back. Thinking is as simple as that. It is not cluttered. Okay, I hope I have answered this. And Ankit is asking a question: how do you handle failure personally? Okay, failure, Ankit, it means a lot to the world. Failure does not mean anything if we are concerned as a person. क्योंकि अगर हम डिटरमाइंड हैं कोई चीज करने के लिए, if we are determined to do something in the world, and whatever we are doing, 1,000 times if we fall, how does it matter? It does not matter because we have a journey to make. अगर हम कहीं पे रुकते हैं, कहीं टायर पंचर होता है, टायर बदल के हम जा सकते हैं because we have a destination to go, a journey to make. अगर हमारे पास जर्नी ही नहीं है और ऐसे ही कहीं घूमने निकले हैं, टायर पंचर हो गए, तो अरे यार क्या हो गया, टायर पंचर हो गया, क्योंकि हमें कहीं जाना ही नहीं है. आप पहले डिसाइड तो करो आपको जाना कहाँ है. यू फर्स्ट थिंक कि आपको जर्नी कहाँ मेक करना है. तो फेलियर विल नॉट सीम लाइक फेलियर. फेलियर इज अ स्टेपिंग स्टोन. फेलियर इज अ माइलस्टोन फॉर यू इफ यू हैव द जर्नी टू मेक. क्योंकि फेलियर जैसा कोई चीज है ही नहीं, जैसे सक्सेस जैसा कोई चीज है नहीं. ये सारे इल्यूजन्स हैं. फेलियर एंड सक्सेस बोथ आर इल्यूजन्स इन लाइफ. आई होप आई हैव आंसर्ड योर क्वेश्चन, अंकित. Okay, and now Ashutosh is answering, sir, how to control your anger. Okay, anger, Ashutosh, you need to be compassionate about it. Anger सब में होता है भाई. Anger किसी को दिखा कि you are not getting anything done. Basically anger आपको करता क्या है? Anger is harming your own self. Anger is not doing anything good to the person, nor it is doing something bad to the person. It is basically harming you only. All right. So you need to कॉन्शियसली डू व्हाटएवर यू आर डूइंग टू अवॉइड एंगर। आपको सोचना पड़ेगा एक मोमेंट लेके कि अभी अगर मैं एंग्रीली रिएक्ट किया तो क्या होगा, और अगर मैं आराम से कामली रिएक्ट किया तो क्या होगा। बोथ द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस आपको सोचना पड़ेगा, एंड देन यू एक्ट वाइजली। एंड बिफोर दैट यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर लाइफ। आपका लाइफ कैसा है, आप एंग्री क्यों हो, बिकॉज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया एडिक्शन, बिकॉज ऑफ रॉन्ग काइंड ऑफ ईटिंग हैबिट्स, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स कंट्रीब्यूट टू एंगर, बिकॉज फिजिकली अगर कहीं पे पेन है, अभी सपोज मेरा सर फटा जा रहा है, कोई आके मुझे बोलता है भैया मुझे एनलाइटनमेंट जानना है, एंड कोई आके मुझे बोलता है मुझे मैं भगवान हूँ, तो आई विल नॉट लिसन टू हिम, बिकॉज my headache is my issue, right? That is why it said that is my headache, because अगर headache है तो हम किसी का नहीं सुनेंगे। So is there anything that is making you angry again and again? पहले उसे solve करो, और अगर ऐसा कुछ है नहीं then lifestyle को सुधारो, and then things will start happening, क्योंकि we are chemical creature, जो हमारे अंदर जैसे chemical secret होता है वैसा feel करते हैं। तो अगर आप anger आपके अंदर है तो शायद कोई negative chemical आपके अंदर secret हो रहा है। Meditate and do yoga and all these things to stop and get bliss chemicals. All right. Now, okay, how far we have gone? We have answered Ashutosh's question. Okay, YouTube ID. I'll share you right. Okay, I'm just sharing it right now. You people all note my personal details here. I'm just sharing it here. My YouTube ID, my Facebook page, my personal email ID, and my contact number that is available for WhatsApp. So anytime you can just contact me on that. Now there is a question of Lisa. Will address. Good evening, sir. A regular question. People go through a lot of phases in their stay, and some are unable to face it. How to face those lanes of life? Okay, you seem to be a little deep in these things. Lisa, I'll tell you, your experience of life is kind of rich. You see people around and think how people are living, in a foolish way of life, but you feel stuck in some way in some phases of your life. So phases are named phases because of a reason, because they will pass. आप अगर आज खुश होते हो ना तो ये भी पास हो जाएगा, आप अगर आज दुखी हो तो ये भी पास हो जाएगा, because the very good thing about life is it goes on, it is just on. आपको डिसाइड करना है इसमें आप कैसे रह सकते हो, because you cannot change time, you cannot stop time, you cannot stop it from going away from you. As time's passing by, you are moving towards your grave, right? We all are dying one moment by one moment. So जितना moment हमें जीने के लिए मिला है, why don't we use it for our benefit, for our better? एक moment अगर हम smile करके अगर सोचें कि ये जो phase है ये तो जाना ही है, then everything will pass on. And the main thing is, Lisha, you must have something which you would like to create in this world. अगर आपके पास कुछ क्रिएट करने के लिए है लाइफ में तो फेजेस विल कम एंड गो। ओके, जैसे कि आज एक जॉब है ना, आप इसे एक्सपीरियंस करने वाले हो, कल कंपनी चेंज हो जाएगा लेकिन जॉब वही रहेगा। तो ऑल दीज थिंग्स, आपका रोल चेंज हो जाएगा, आपका बॉस चेंज हो जाएंगे, एंड एवरीथिंग मैटर्स। एवरी 2 person आर नॉट सेम, है ना। तो हमें बहुत सारे लोगों से बात करना होता है, एंड दे पुट यू इनटू डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ phases and all. So ये सब चलता रहेगा, but as long as you have something to create in this world, you know your journey, where you are heading, all these things are temporary. You can ignore all these things because you have a better thing to do in this world. Problem ये है कि हमें पता नहीं हम क्यों exist करते हैं, है ना। जिस दिन हमें अपना जीने का मकसद मिल गया, हमें कोई नहीं रोक सकता बड़े बनने से या इंडिपेंडेंट या सक्सेसफुल बनने से, क्योंकि we are living our lives, just as leisure, कहीं और जाके घूमने जैसा। वी आर जस्ट लिविंग इन दिस अर्थ। तो अगर हम पता कर सके कि हमें क्रिएट क्या करना है, हमें बनाना क्या है जिंदगी में, दुनिया में, तो हम इसे स्किप कर सकते हैं। ये सारे जो फेजेस हैं आएंगे जाएंगे चले जाएंगे, बट यू विल बी हैप्पी। ट्रस्ट मी, इट विल वर्क फॉर यू। आई होप आई हैव आंसर्ड ऑल द क्वेश्चंस। एनी मोर क्वेश्चन प्लीज आस्क, और सर shall we close?
No, it is I think students have asked so many questions, and I find that in this program, more number of questions. Students likes your presentation much, and I hope in future endeavors also you will guide them, because still they are in the orientation phase.
Yes, so I love to be in touch with them. They are such a lovely batch. No disturbances, nothing has happened so far. Very professional. I just loved this session. I loved you people all, and I have given all the platforms to connect with me. connect with me in whatever way you can. YouTube को तो subscribe करना ही है, because I also need subscribers, and you people also can get benefited from the business news, business opportunities and entrepreneurship and all. So you can do that, and other platforms maybe you can connect with me. You people are like my friends, so there is no such kind of a sir kind of a thing and very big gap. So you cannot connect and think before asking me your questions. I'm always there to answer your questions. So thank you very much for being there. Sir, anything you want to say?
Okay, thank you very much. And I hope you will join us whenever we need, so that you can guide our students.
I'll join you anytime you say. So I'm always there for you.
Thank you very much. We are very much proud that you are one of us.
Thank you. I'll always be one of you. We are there. Thank you. Thank you. It is so nice to talk to you. Yes. Thank you, sir. Namaste. Thank you.
Thank you, students.
Thanks.